Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking sliding glass doors today. Hey, in the event that your sliding glass door is hard to open and close, it may be as simple as just cleaning the track and lubricating your lower rollers. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, here we are at the sliding glass door. And again, in the event that your sliding glass door is very tough and hard to slide open and closed, we are going to use white lithium grease to lubricate the lower rollers, and down below in the comments section as well as the description section will be a link on where to purchase that. And before we move on, I'll open this up, and down below the door itself are your rollers. You got one on each side, and scrolling above right now is a link to a video that guides you through on how to properly and safely adjust your lower rollers to properly align and balance your door. So in other words, if you've got a 1/4 inch opening up top and no opening or a 1/2 inch, well, your door is offset or off balance. And we show you how to balance your door. However, we are going to come down to the lower track here, and we have already vacuumed and wiped clean and dried the internal track, both sides. Now this portion is always the dirtier of the two, because this is where you come in and out of on a daily basis. Again, clean the track. I will go ahead and close the door, and we are going to reposition the camera and lubricate. With the camera repositioned, I've grabbed the white lithium grease can, and I have installed the red precision straw in the top cap. And DIYers, do not overspray this. I am going to spray just a little bit of white lithium grease right on the center track or rod here, as opposed to the lower frame. Again, do not overdo it. From here, I am going to carefully open the door and allow that white lithium grease to properly lubricate the inner rollers. And now to the opposite side, I will lubricate the bottom frame here. Again, do not overdo it, DIYers. This white lithium grease is incredible. Most say it gets better as time goes on. From here, open and close the door a few more times. And hopefully that will help. Again, relubricate your lower rollers. Taking a step back, and DIYers, lubricating those lower rollers go a long way. It is not a permanent fix. However, it really helps. Again, if that does not work, you've got little caps right here that gain access to the adjustment screws that you can then adjust your lower rollers. From here, we hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. All right, DIYers, down at the workstation and Mom and Dad's jet ski in-house for DIY repair videos. That will be fun. Coming around, we've got our DIY channel skateboards that we custom made. However, it is time to clean our glass. Down below in the comment section as well as the description section is a link to purchase this product. It continues to work perfectly for us. We definitely recommend it. Thanks again for watching.